Hey, Joe Mastriano, CPA, over 40 years and thousands of successful IRS tax cases. Well, the IRS went and did it again. Yesterday, they bypassed my power of attorney. I know who the woman is, I know who the manager is, and we had a deadline for a couple of days ago, and my client just never responded. You know, I've dealt with him for a while, no problem. He and I are still okay. He knew he didn't respond, so it's kind of a long story. But instead of contacting me and saying, "Hey, you missed the deadline," um, she went out and bypassed me, the power of attorney. They're not supposed to do that. There's TIGTA, the Taxpayer Inspector General for Treasury Administration, which everybody can just call the IRS and or go online and get IRS employees in trouble. At least that's how it was in the past. Who knows what's going on now? She felt okay to do it, called the manager because he doesn't call me back. And I've known him for over 20 years as well. Nothing personal. I know what's going on there. They just continue to break the rules. If you're on my email list, I'm going to, in the sequence emails, I'm going to outline the phony, um, what do you call it, levies, the phony county liens, the phony audit, not accepting stuff, my own, um, extension for corporate return that was sent in on time that they ignored. I'm telling you, talk about gone wild. They just continue to get wilder and wilder. I guess they don't care because they can't balance the budget, and they send all this money to Ukraine, and then we find out that all the equipment winds up in the hands of the Mexican drug cartels. What I'm talking about is little bitty stuff to them. But anyway, I wanted to let everybody know, if you have an IRS issue, you better hire someone with decades of experience like me that knows what they're doing. You don't want some super expensive attorney. You don't need an attorney to deal with the IRS. But I've done this for over 40 years, and there's a shortage of people who really know what they're doing. So I mean, if you know an enrolled agent or a CPA or an attorney who's been doing this for decades that can give you a reasonable price, then they will be competition for me. My rates are only 195 an hour, so anyone charging that probably doesn't have anywhere near my experience. I do know some law firms that have lied to people and acted like the attorney was going to do the case, but gave it down to a junior, and maybe one or two times he called the IRS. I've got some non licensed IRS representation companies that are competitors not too far away from me. They play that game too. They have a licensed person, and that person's the one to call the IRS, but the case is done by low wage, non licensed people. And that's how these people operate. So call Stephanie, 713-774-4467. Don't hesitate, because she'll be upfront with you. 12 years with me, and Robin going on 7 doing returns. Everyone knows that we care about our clients. We bring forward ethical knowledge and experience that we've gained over the years. And that's it for this video. Again, call Stephanie, 713-774-4467. Thank you.